In this lecture series, we will study about the exogenous pathway of the antigen presentation. So we'll study about the exogenous pathway and that is mainly done by the endocytotic processing pathway. Okay, so here mainly what happens, suppose there is a cell having the typical nucleus, and there is an antigen, any type of antigen, suppose it is a protein, and this protein which act as an antigen is taken inside the cell, by the antigen presenting cells. And what are antigen presenting cell? Mainly these are of three types. One is B cell, another is dendritic cell, and one is macrophages. Okay, so these are the three type of antigen presenting cell, and these are having the MHC class 2. Okay, and these represent the antigen to the TH cell. So this is the basic funda. So now what happens, let us take one eraser. Now what happens, suppose this is a antigen, some sort of peptide. So this antigen, when it is taken inside the APCs, okay, then it is this exogenous, this is called exogenous antigen. So that's why it is called the exogenous pathway. Exogenous antigens are broken down into small peptides. So this is the protein, and now it is broken down into small peptides. So it is now broken, and this all is happening inside the antigen presenting cells. Okay, so here we have class 2 MHC, and it is expressed on the APCs, and there is endocytic processing of antigen inside these cells. Okay, so let me draw one figure so that it can become more clear. Suppose there is a cell, so let me draw a figure.